Racing just is started with Mamang Zorbitero. Break quick, let us start. Rushing upon the outside, the reconstruction. G's Price running by the release Palanyog. And on the outside, Her Highness June 3 comes next. Then followed now by Mighty Maton, while Buena Classica is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Mamang Zorbitero, Her Highness Reconstruction. Moving upon the outside for June 3, Palanyog is down in tip, and 6 G's Price, Mighty Maton, while Buena Classica is still in last inside the 3 octavo of Mamang Zorbitero. Then here comes Palanyog moving up down the inside. Then comes June 3, Her Highness Reconstruction, Mighty Maton, G's Price, while Buena Classica is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. Mamang Zorbitero, Palanyog now moving up down on the inside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Palanyog with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths, and in second is Mamang Zorbitero. June 3 is on the outside, and finally Palanyog second. Mamang Zorbitero, Mighty Maton, June 3, Her Highness Reconstruction.
Okay, mga kaibigan, para dito sa inyo, race number 6, the favorite entry number 4, that's Palanyog ang ating unofficial winner. Mga sa segundo numero 2, Mamang Zorbitero, numero 1, Mighty Maton, 3 horse, June